Your question is money bill has been defined by the constitution under article. Your options are A 109, B 110, C 111 or D both B and C. Right answer is B 110. Your question is who among the following decides whether a particular bill is a money bill? Your options are A President, B Prime Minister, C Speaker of Lok Sabha or D the Cabinet. Right answer is C Speaker of Lok Sabha. Your question is who decides whether a bill is money bill or not? Your options are A President, B Speaker of Lok Sabha, C Finance Secretary or D Finance Minister. Right answer is B Speaker of Lok Sabha. Your question is who certifies the money bill? Your options are A President, B Vice President, C Speaker or D Council of Ministers. Right answer is C Speaker. Your question is which one of the following statements about a money bill is not correct? Your options are A money bill can be tabled in either house of parliament, B the Speaker of Lok Sabha is the final authority to decide whether a bill is a money bill or not, C the Rajya Sabha must return a money bill passed by the Lok Sabha and send it for consideration within 14 days, or D the President cannot return a money bill to the Lok Sabha for reconsideration. Right answer is A money bill can be tabled in either house of parliament. Your question is a money bill under the Constitution of India is tabled in the. Your options are A Rajya Sabha, B Public Accounts Committee, C Lok Sabha or D Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha simultaneously. Right answer is C Lok Sabha. Your question is money bill can be presented. Your options are A only in the Lok Sabha, B only in the Rajya Sabha, C in both the houses, D in joint meeting of both the houses or E none of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A only in the Lok Sabha. Your question is of the following statements, which one is not correct? Your options are A. The Rajya Sabha is powerless in money matters. B. Money bill is introduced in the Rajya Sabha. C. The Rajya Sabha has to pass the money bill within 14 days after it has been passed by the Lok Sabha. Or D. The Rajya Sabha may pass or return the money bill with some reconsiderations to the Lok Sabha. Right answer is B. Money bill is introduced in the Rajya Sabha. Your question is which one of the following subject is not included in the provisions of the money bills? Your options are A. Provision regarding taxes, B. Provision regarding borrowings, C. Provision regarding custody of the consolidated and contingency funds, or D. Provision for imposition of fines or penalties. Right answer is D. Provision for imposition of fines or penalties. Your question is regarding money bill, which of the following statements is not correct? Your options are A. A bill shall be deemed to be a money bill if it contains only provisions relating to imposition, abolition, remission, alteration or regulation of any tax. B. A money bill has provisions for the custody of the Consolidated Fund of India or the Contingency Fund of India. C. A money bill is concerned with the appropriation of monies out of the Contingency Fund of India, or D. A money bill deals with the regulation of borrowings of money or giving of any guarantee by the Government of India. Right answer is C. A money bill is concerned with the appropriation of monies out of the Contingency Fund of India.